Inshallah, I'll be reading this poem. It's named Master of Bravery. To him we give our allegiance, an everlasting tear. My heart's true love from history has been made clear. My heart's true love from history has been made clear. Hassan, the master of all morals that made it through enemies near. To each moral whispered in my ear, I would make sure my actions adhere. I would make sure my actions adhere, and with each action my intentions I reassured and made sincere. Upon my heart the message of Muhammad he would smear. Upon my heart the message of Muhammad he would smear. He grabs my fall when I'm destructive and left in fear. To him I give everything, as to death I'm near. To many his actions were made unclear. To many his actions were made unclear, though asked for his assistance he will hear. To love and have each moral, first Hassan we must endear. Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Allahumma salli ala